Guys, today we're going to play some games. So our first game, I think we might make some slime. I'm sorry if it's sideways with your screen, but you can always just do what you want. Let's see at random. I don't care. What? This is all random. I'm gonna delete all my slimes. Let's make something new. We're gonna start with a pink bowl, because I love pink. If you didn't know, I know what I want. And let's go with jelly. Actually, if jelly's a bit boring, we're gonna do fluffy. Now we're gonna add all our items. Is it a bit too loud? I don't know. What should I do, guys? For the new people. And then I'm gonna choose the pink that I have. No decorations. That's exactly what I was gonna name it. Alright, so let's get to touching. Wow. It's gonna change in no time. Takes too long. Anyways. K is my favorite letter. Boring ads. Add random. Ooh. Aqua. Play. Let's see what this is. That's loud. Alright. Now, let's get to something else. It's kind of boring. I'm gonna flip the iPad. And now, I know what to do. I'm gonna show you my Scratch Junior project. It's not for school, but I just made it because I wanted to. That one, I don't know what. So, let's get to this one. Do you want to play? Do you want to play or do you want to party? I want to play. So let's do play first. Ooh. Wow. That seems fun. But no. It's not what I want. Let's get back to this first page. Alright, so we're gonna do party. Ooh, yummy cake. Has 6 candles on it. With, what's your name again? I forgot your name. What's your name? Your tick. Your tick. And this one's tack. Tick and tack. Tick tack. And we're gonna get to this one. I don't know what this one says. I forgot. Oh, what's happening? That one's funny. Oh wait, what's the sound? Die. That's me. Die. What's this? 55? Oh my gosh, that's a load. Okay. What's this little bow thing? I love bows. And never mind. Let's see what this is. Just gonna change up a few things. Bye. That's kind of boring. Let's get to the other one. Ugly. How dare you? How dare you? Let's see this. Okay, this is boring. I think that's it. Bye, guys. I hope this can get a lot of views because I am gonna be a little embarrassed if I don't get a lot of views because some people just don't like other people, like their voices. They just don't like other people. I don't know why. But you guys, I'm sure you don't be rude, yeah. Alright. I'm gonna say bye to the camera. Can you all say bye to the camera? Okay, that's nice. Bye.